Welcome to another video. Just ignore blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. Like, look, watch what happens if you search up Jane Toys. I was just watching to see what my views were and stuff, like all the YouTubers do. And look what I found. This dude actually apologizing. Good for you. Also, I subscribed and liked your videos because that's your reward for being a fan, for revealing that you were a fan. That's your reward, bro. So now you shut me. Alright. First, let me show you his videos. We're going to react to 10 of his videos after that to celebrate his fanitation and give my personal opinions on it. Yeah. I'll never tell Ted's just because he's a fan. Be like, dude, if you're a fan of me, then all your videos are terrible.
Well, that video, thing that I sent you was a joke. I was playing around, okay? You've really inspired me.
Alright, Chicken Lemon. You're now good. Now you get the Good YouTuber Awards. And also, I don't keep up with VidCon that much, but if this year's VidCon hasn't already passed, then, yeah. Once I figure out when and where VidCon is, I'm going to go there, and I've got to figure out when it is. So, yeah. I'll see you at VidCon. VidCon if you go. If you go VidCon, then I might see you there. Chicken Lemon. Hope I see you there. I'm going to be both a YouTuber, and a fan there. So, I'm, double. Because I'm going to go and see Mr. Beast, Creecraft, Dale Ski Bum, and all the YouTubers. All the famous ones that actually go there. Okay, so I'm going to, since I got 50 subscribers, glad you're part of it. And that's why I'm subscribed to you, Chicken Lemon. And he also made that video. Let's see this.
So, my response to Jaden's Toys is, sorry that you hate me, but I'm subscribed to you. But, so, my response,
I'm super sorry, dude, and I'm glad you're one of my 50 subscribers, cause yeah. Alright. I'm glad that you realized your mistake. And also, wait a second. I tried to remake this video earlier, but I didn't see this by Graham.
Who has the best gritty? I say right foot creep, oh, I'm walking with that heater. Say right foot creep. Who has the best gritty?
Okay. Normally I wouldn't like the video, but since you're a fan of me, guess I like it. Just because you're a fan. And, yeah. Good thing you're in my subscriptions and stuff. Hey, bud. So, yeah. You make really good videos, and I love them so much, I guess, since you're family, and yeah. You're the best, Chicken Lemon. I'm going to react to all his videos, but for the positive reasons this time, alright?
No, yes.
holy crap, that's so funny. Psych, that's the wrong number.
No.
Oh, he's actually a good roaster. He's actually a good roaster. Actually did. Alright.
Right foot creep, oh, walking with that heater. Look around, stay.
Who has the best gritty?
Right foot.
The best. The best. I'm going to like this video just because you're a fan. Alright, my name.
Your name reveal? Okay. My real name is Jaden. Jaden? Yeah. Bye-bye. Your name?
Jaden. Two Jadens in a row. I'd be like, Jaden. Yeah, in my house, I have my own J-Base. I'll show you my J-Base in my next video probably. I don't know. I have a lot of stuff in my life. It sometimes gets in the way of my videos. And, yeah. Alright, next one is all my...
I see who you are. You are my enemy. My enemy. You are my enemy. I see who you are. You are my enemy. I see.
See, Chicken 11, I'm not trying to criticize your video. I'm still going to like it because you're fan boy. Like, the devil is bullies are, I mean, like, the devil is, like, pretty much everyone's bully. Like, dude, like, I'm sure the devil has attacked heaven, like, I don't know for sure because no one really knows what it's like, and, actually some people do know, but they're dead. Like, I'm pretty sure there's, like, wars, but they keep, like, the dead people out of it and put the religious people, like God, Jesus or something, to fight the devil on a daily basis. So, like, dude, the devil's a threat to all of us, so he is a bully, so. Anyways, Murad is this one. My strikes. Games, anger. Oh. Games, anger. Okay. Like me because you're a fan. Yay, already saw that.
Who has the best gritty? I say right foot creep, oh, walking with that heater.
Say right foot creep.
Who has the best gritty?
Alright, just because you're a fan, I'm liking it. Okay. Up next is Funny Cappy.
Capybara, 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 capybara.
That sounds like a 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. You're halfway there. It's just like 5 like invisible details that just stop.
La moulaga, et donnez-moi de la moulaga. On survêt dans le carré, on est sous moulax. La moulaga.
That music is so fire, dude. That music's fire. Fire. Alright.
Pardon me, Rat. Do you know how to rickroll?
No, it's more like never gonna give you up.
No, that's too high pitched.
Now that's way too low. Come on, Rat, I trusted you.
Pardon me, Rat. Do you know
That
how to...
video's actually funny. That video's actually funny, so like 10, I guess. Down 10, cause you're there. Music's fire.
Whopper, 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 Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Flame Grill taste with perfect toppers. I will Whopper,
That
Whopper.
music is 10 out of 10. And this video's 10 out of 10. Did I like
Whopper,
it?
Whopper, Whopper, Whopper,
Yeah, I
Junior,
like that
Double,
video.
Triple, Whopper. Whopper, 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 Junior, Double, Triple.
Love. I'm going to type love. Love it. Cause I love this
flame grill
video.
taste with perfect toppers. I will Whopper.
Right?
Do what? I mean, well, pour water on my head for 20-ish likes. Okay. But part 2 is gonna be on my channel.
On my channel.
Do
My channel, yes. Okay, Hawk.
so my response to Jaden's toys is
I already saw you about it. I feel really sorry for this dude. I'm sorry I'm sorry that I hated you earlier. And do apologize. You're a good YouTuber now. But Shalilo isn't, because he's the only she's my only hater that hasn't apologized. Like, dude, Shalilo is super bad. Like, Shalilo sucks, dude. Like, Shalilo is the worst, but you're good. You're good. Hop. The best way to find, I had trouble finding her for a long time. The best way to find, I delete, for some reason her comments are deleted. Probably because I deleted her from my channel. Jane's Toys. 878. Let's see if this idiot posted a new video. Nope, the idiot pretty much quit YouTube. Idiot. I bet as soon as this idiot sees this video, he's going to make another video. How much you want to bet this idiot is going to post another video as soon as I start hating on her? How much do you want to bet? Dude. So much low sucks. Anyways, I gotta go get something. I'll see you. See you next one, because I gotta go do something. I'll see you. Bye.